Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make an alarm sound for iPhone. So I'm provide full guide so you can easily make your any sound for your alarm. So simply at first open your clock apps and go to alarm section. Press on to plus option and you just create a new alarm. Set time and overall customize, showing it to sound option. So as you can see, showing it to sound option, but not showing it to exactly add any your own sound. So don't worry, I'll provide solution. And you just open your file apps, okay, and select any music. Okay, so as you can see, so this is a sound. At first time rename, okay, at first time rename this sound, and now I'll play this. Okay, just follow this alarm name, open, press on share option, click on more, then you get use as ringtone. Okay, so now set up this song. Okay, and go back, reopen to alarm sound, and as you can see now I'm recently create this. Okay, okay, and open, but some device missing this option, so you just follow this on tricks. Open your settings, general, software update, must be updated to iOS 26, then you get use as ringtone option. Then you can follow this all process